can you do? Let's see what else you got in there,
I
girl.
need a golf ball. I want my golf ball.
Aiden, it's okay. Oh, that paper, it's so exciting. Do you want to see what's in your gift, or do you just want to see the paper? Or do you want to see the socks? Hayden, that's not your gift.
This is baby. I'm gonna play with her.
You want to play with her?
Yeah.
Right now she wants to play with paper. Wow, that's exciting, Logan.
But you could do that all day long.
Uh-huh.
I want to open that.
Nope, that's Logan's gift. Yeah, let Logan open her gifts. You gonna do that again, Logan?
I want to open
What else do you got in there?
my
Want to see what's in here?
there.
Want to try this piece of paper out?
I want to put my finger together.
Oh my gosh, it's making noise. You better see what it is, Logan. Oh, you got it? Okay. Oh, wow, you got Tigger in a Christmas tree.
Wow. Tigger, Tigger, Christmas tree.
Okay, thank you, Daddy.
Bye-bye.